Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for August 30th, 2025. If you're enjoying these translations, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now let's look at what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 14 Uinal, and the 8 Kin. Today's long count energy brings karmic balance into focus. The 8 vibration acts like a mirror, returning to you what you have sown. This is a day to notice how past actions are shaping your current reality and to make corrections where needed. The 8 Kin is about justice, balance, reciprocity, and restoring harmony. Today, you're being asked to review recent choices. Are they aligned with fairness and truth? This is a day to make amends if you feel imbalance in a relationship and to focus on balanced exchanges of energy, giving and receiving equally. Now let's explore what the Tzolk'in calendar has to say. Today's date is 3 Muluk. Muluk is represented by water and offerings. Its symbolism is that of water as life force, purification, and emotional flow. It's about spiritual offerings, releasing attachments, and cleansing the emotional body. The number 3 is about activation and movement. It's the number of expression, communication, and momentum. For example, it takes intention, 1, and potential, 2, into outward actions, 3. It also highlights the mirror of others and the lessons found in partnerships. Collectively, 3 Muluk is the sacred flow of water meeting action. It invites you to release old emotional baggage through a conscious act of an offering, whether through prayer, ritual, or symbolic release or another. Today, you're being asked to speak your truth clearly and with compassion. Now, let's move on to the Hab calendar. Today's Hab date is 9 Pax. Pax is represented by planting fire, preparation, and renewal. Today it's about preparing, setting the ground, and actions. The number 9 is about vision, fruition, and spiritual light. It represents clarity, guidance, and shining light on the path forward. Collectively, 9 Pax illuminates the preparations you've been making. With Muluk's water, this is about cleansing away what is no longer needed so that the sacred fire of Pax can be tended to with clarity and devotion. Today, you're being asked to review your long-term plans and see if they are aligned with truth. It's also a day to dedicate time to both reflection from today's water and action from today's fire. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. The calendars today carries the balancing tone of 8 within the long count, joined by the cleansing power of 3 Muluk and the visionary clarity of 9 Pax. This day asks for you to purify your emotional waters, balance what is out of alignment, and to renew your commitment to walking in harmony with others in spirit. The themes for today are about purification and emotional release, balancing karma through fairness and reciprocity, and preparing the sacred fire for new beginnings. You're being asked to speak your truth kindly, to restore balance, and to make sure your giving and receiving are in harmony. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars. I release what no longer serves me, purifying my heart and restore balance in the flow of life. Thank you for your support.